Anthropic had Claude Code refactor legacy COBOL applications. How long has COBOL been around? COBOL has been around since 1960. So it's a 66-year-old program language. Now, that sounds mad, but it is used in a lot of enterprise systems. It's still a very important language in enterprise mainframes and systems. So very old, 66-year-old programming language. So Claude Code refactored some legacy applications, and that sent IBM stock price dropping by 10%. So this is another example of giving a complicated task to AI and AI being able to get on with it and finish the job. Although COBOL is everywhere, especially in sectors like finance and government, the number of people who understand it is shrinking every year. Developers retire, documentation is out of date, and only a handful of universities are teaching COBOL. This is a 66-year-old programming language. Rewriting COBOL applications isn't easy. You reverse engineering business logic from systems built when Nixon was president. AI tools like Claude Code and OpenAI's Codex can massively speed things up, modernizing in quarters what would have previously taken years. They can map dependencies, document forgotten workflows, and identify hidden risks. So why does this matter to IBM, and why did its share price take a 13% hit? It comes down to IBM's mainframe business, the core of Big Blue's original success. Those COBOL applications acquire mainframes. COBOL means moving off of mainframes as well. Investors seem to have been spooked. IBM are providing these mainframe computers because that's what's needed to run the COBOL code. But if you're refactoring legacy COBOL applications into more modern languages, because COBOL is difficult to use and it has very few people who can actually do it, then you don't need IBM's mainframes. And that was enough to take 13% off IBM's stock price. IBM stock suffers worst crash in 25 years thanks to Anthropic's Claude Code. This is what we're starting to do with vibe coding or engaging engineering. AI taking control of the coding process is last year, Andrej Karpathy coined the term vibe coding, said it's great for little weekend projects. In a year or so, we are getting AI swarms that can do things like build a C compiler. Claude Code put together a C compiler with a team of parallel Claudes. It took $20,000 in API costs, 2,000 Claude Code sessions, produce a 100,000 line compiler based in Rust. 16 agents orchestrating, checking each other's work for 2 weeks until the task was done. We are seeing vibe coding or agentic engineering crack big projects. It is not just for a nice little website or a silly little application. It is starting to be able to do tasks that knock 13% off IBM stock price.